Archer Career is a social enterprise with a mission to improve career confidence to get better outcomes.
We improve career confidence to get better outcomes. We offer career programs through an immersive technology platform with structure, momentum, and accountability. We apply behavioral science and step-by-step learning paths to drive better career launches. It's a mobile app organized as a checklist with 10 to 30-minute micro activities. Customers can access our deep digital library or have us build a white label program.
I'm Pam Schilling, the co-founder and CEO of Archer Career. When I envisioned building this business, I had something very particular in mind. I wanted to build the kind of career platform I wish I had had early in my career. The incredible team we have built at Archer Career is uniquely suited to tackle this issue.
I'm Danae, Customer Success Manager. I am Early Career Talent.
I'm Jeremy Morse, co-founder and head of product, PhD from the University of Chicago, and I have deep insights on career obstacles.
Hi, my name is Mark Nicola. I'm a recent graduate of the University of Wisconsin full-time MBA program and started a full-time job at ZS Associates. So I think the big thing about Archer Career that I would like to say is they really gave me the tools to find a job and then succeed once I got into this job. Big thing that differentiate Archer from others in the market. Their tools, the case prep and job search, really help you both prep for looking for jobs, and then once you find, roles that you like and are interviewing, really helps with the actual case interview. Either helps you start out or fills in gaps that you have. Overall, Archer Career gives you the ability to have these tools, not just for this job search that I just got through, but in the future, it's not just a one and done. It really just helps you throughout your whole career, throughout whole life, as you're looking for new roles, as you're prepping to enter new industries. It's just a great company that cares about its clients.
Hi, my name is Michelle McCluskey, and I am an MBA student at Chicago Booth. I went through recruiting at Chicago Booth for full-time consulting positions and was lucky enough to receive an offer from both McKinsey and Bain. I will be joining Bain in the Chicago office. However, none of this would have been possible without Archer Career. If I could describe the Archer Career program in one word, it would be knowledge. Not only does the team curate resources and assets for us to use in order to educate on what the recruiting process looks like, but they disseminate them to us in a way that best prepares us to go throughout the recruiting cycle. I wouldn't be in the position I'm in without Pam and her team. Thank you.
I've got a population doing world-class scientific research and patient care, but they need to develop skills that complement that academic expertise. They need to know to think about business. Two, it's just time. They need to do a lot of their learning online. This was true before the pandemic, but now it's just sort of expected. I've really enjoyed is your team, the personality, the like human presence behind the platform. You're not just saying, here's a whole bunch of stuff on a website, give me some money and your students will go to it, which is kind of the standard. It needs to work for my campus and the students that I work with.